Hi, I'm Sean Newman, General Manager at TrailLite. Today we're going to take a little bit of a sneak peek at what goes into building New Zealand's finest motorhomes. TrailLite's been manufacturing in Pukekohe since 1954. We were one of the first companies in New Zealand to manufacture motorhomes, and today we're the largest manufacturer of motorhomes for the private market. We spend a lot of time on research and development. It's really important to us that we've got the latest technology, the latest components in our products, just to make sure that the vans are as good as they can be. We have a real focus on culture and our people. A lot of our senior staff started with us fresh from school, taking young people, giving them education and skills so they can be really top performers in our business. So here we have our engineering bay, where we are putting down all of the steel work that would go underneath the floor. We have a full steel chassis to give the vehicle extra strength, and clever design in this area allows us to put up to 600 litres of fresh water and a minimum of 275 litres of fresh water, as well as huge storage space. We build on Volkswagen, Iveco and Mercedes-based vehicles. All are rear-wheel drive for better traction in slippery conditions. All are well-known brands with incredible reliability and drivability and great safety features as well. So here we have our Underfloor Department. These guys are doing everything that goes underneath the floor: gas lines, water tanks, wiring looms, those kinds of things. Our floors are fully insulated with an aluminium box section in them for additional strength. The floor also has a thick plywood top on it. That means that when you walk on it, it's not going to squeak, it's not going to move or anything like that, and provides a really good foundation for the furniture to be screwed into. This is also the area where our diesel heaters are fitted. All of our motorhomes have diesel heaters fitted as standard so that you can be warm and comfortable on those cold South Island nights. Next up is our furniture department. TrailLite was originally started as a cabinet maker's factory, and my father Peter was a cabinet maker by trade. So it's one of the things that we're really proud of is the fit and finish of our furniture. You won't see gaps, everything is in perfect alignment, and it's something that we're really, really proud of. And we've got a real focus on giving you the same kind of furniture that you would expect at home. So metal drawer runners, a lot of domestic style furniture hardware. We use aluminium extrusions where other people might use plastic extrusions, and all of that kind of thing. This is our walls department. We build our walls pretty much like most motorhome manufacturers around the world do. It's a vacuum pressed sandwich panel which consists of an exterior panel, an interior panel, and then a thick foam interior for really good insulation and really good strength as well. So once our walls and furniture are ready, we then put it all together in our assembly department. We build the motorhomes inside out. So that means that we put in all of the furniture first, we do as many of the appliances, the plumbing, the electrical work as we can, and then we stand the walls up afterwards. We have a lot of tradespeople who join us in this department, and a lot of them are really surprised at the tolerances that we work with here. So everything is measured down to the millimetre. The gaps are small, and the accuracy we insist on is really, really high to give you that long-lasting, incredible finish that a TrailLite is known for. The result of this is a TrailLite will not squeak, it will not rattle, and everything will stay in place. This is our Sky Crew team. So this is where we fit the roof to the vehicle, the fiberglass front and end on it, the decorative parts, as well as solar panels, satellite dishes, roof fans, and all of the other things that would go on the roof of the motorhome. So this is our exterior department. This is another really critical part of the stage for us. So we insist here on using aluminium extrusions instead of plastic. You won't see any exposed screw, no screw caps, nothing like that. It's really important that the exterior of the vehicle looks incredible to us, and we pay a lot of attention and time into getting all of the gaps very, very tight and having a really incredible looking exterior on them. This is also the area where we fit lockers, windows, doors, all of those other exterior items on the vehicle. And up here we have our upholstery department. Here we craft the upholstery for each individual motorhome.
All the job is perfectly done. The fiber, see the overlock is here? So it's beautifully done, this one, and beautifully done in here. We want to send the job as 110%. Happy to work in TrailLite, man. TrailLite is a very, very good company.
And then we have our finishing team. So in here, we're fitting a lot of the finishing touches to the motorhome. Plumbing, some appliances, soft furnishings, those kinds of things. And now in here, we use the same kinds of things that you would expect at home. So brass taps, ceramic hand basins, New Zealand-made carpets, fabrics and mattresses that really give the motorhome the luxury feel that TrailLite owners are looking for. So finally, we have our compliance and quality control area. So as the motorhome is built, it goes through thousands of quality checks. But the rubber really hits the road here with hundreds more checks. In here, we are firing up all of the appliances and making sure that they work. We're testing everything in the vehicle, and our quality people go over it to make sure that there's no little marks or any of those kinds of issues. Our customers are very, very particular, and rightly so, and so our standards here are extremely high. We hope you found this interesting. We invite you to take your own factory tour. Give any of the team a call, make a time to come and see us.